Hi beautiful people, hope you are doing so well. So I just closed from church. I am so tired and sleepy already, but I am doing an intro to my nesting video that I'll be starting today. So today I'll be starting like getting ready for baby, because we are officially 35 weeks today, guys. I just cannot believe time went by so fast, and I am ready. I'm ready already. Yeah, I am ready already. Baby is doing so well. He's kicking so hard. I just cannot wait to hold him. So today, the only thing I have done so far is to put the baby swing. Yeah, put that together. But I have quite a lot to do. Not too much though, but quite a lot. So I'll be starting with the baby's laundry today, and throughout the week I will keep doing like whenever I get a time, because guys, tiredness level is all the way up to 1,000. I get tired easily, so I will take it bit by bit till we hit that day when I have to push. Oh my goodness. And this time around I am just hoping and praying for 38 weeks, maximum 39. I spoke with my OBGYN and she said they can induce me when I'm 38 weeks if that is what I want. I'm like, nope, I am not doing any induction, guys. By the grace of God, I will go to labor 38, 39. I'm praying for that. Yeah, so that is what I'm praying for and hoping for. And yeah, so I just got home. I'm just gonna get some food to eat and we will start. So everything will just follow. This is just an intro because the girls are in the house and I don't want any noise in the video, so everything will just follow. And I'll walk you through how I'm getting prepared for baby to come, and I just cannot wait. Okay, all right guys, so let's just get straight into the video. Please do not forget to like, comment, share, and if you're expecting a baby, gosh, congratulations, we got this. Okay, and yeah, let's just do it. Let's just do it. All right guys, enjoy this video. All right guys, so these are the things that I have to wash, and I sorted them in white and colored and all that. So I have quite a number or so in the basement, and I'll be taking this to the washing machine and I'll go and wash them.
Day breaks and I'm burned by the morning light. I make the same mistake more than twice. Same song, but brand new dance. I wear out my third second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give.
Hello guys, so I could not fold the laundry I did yesterday, so I'm gonna do it today because guys, as I told you earlier, like my tiredness level is getting out of hand. And guys, I don't know, time is getting closer, so I just have to fold the things and put them away and make sure I do other stuff before baby comes, because it's getting there. Guys, see baby? Yeah, so I don't have to waste time. And my hair, I was planning to put in some simple cornrows, but I want to do that maybe at 37 weeks, so it will be closer to time. Yeah, so I think I have like a week and some days more to do that. So I'll show you what I'm folding, and let's just get straight into the video, okay? Okay, so I already have these bags packed. I will put one downstairs and one upstairs. It's basically has the diapers, some teether, Aquaphor, some cologne. I have the Aveeno baby wash and shampoo. That's what I use for all my babies, and I change it later when they get big. Johnson and Johnson. I had a little bit left, so I just thought I should just put it in here. And this one also has basically the same thing, but with some nasal drainage thing. Yeah. And this nipple cream, it's almost done. I have some new one there. I have to put it in here. And yeah, basically this is what I have. So this is how the bag looks like. I really love it. It's very, very comfortable, and you can carry it with you. So I'll just put one upstairs and one downstairs to be easier whenever like you have the baby downstairs or upstairs, like you have something available to change him. And this is the laundry, guys. This is the laundry. I have to fold everything, so I'm going to get into it and do that real quick. All right. That is my hospital bag, and I'm getting things together. Still haven't completed packing it, but I'll surely get there. Hey guys, so now I will be washing the baby bottles. So what I normally do, or I have done before, is after I wash with soapy water, I would just put a big saucepan on and boil some water and put the bottles in it and let it sit for maybe 5-10 minutes. Then I would just take it out to dry, and I will pack the bottles. But this time around, I just used the hot water from the tap, and yeah, it was hot enough, so I just went ahead and used that alone to rinse it like 3 times before I let the bottles sit and let it dry. Then I packed everything. Also, I had some leftover bottles from my girls, so I added them to the new ones I got for baby boy. So that is basically what I will be doing now.
But we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I.
Gail is full, yeah. And I am still in the nesting stage, getting ready for baby and all of that, putting things together, and it hasn't been easy. Last night I had some crazy contractions, and I'm like, whoa, let me just braid my hair, because initially I wanted to do it like maybe in my 38 week so that it will be fresh and neat and all that, but I'm like, no, I'm not going for that, because I don't know when the time will kick and all that. So let me just get ready, get my hair done, and whenever baby is ready to come, I just go to the hospital. So I wanted to have some sort of braids in, so at least, because right after baby comes, it will be appointments upon appointments upon appointments and stuff like that. So I just had to put something in that will make me look presentable and ready for anything, So today we're doing my braids. I thought of doing fitting braids, but it doesn't last. So I'm gonna do like some large or jumbo spring twists. Whatever may go. My energy is totally off, but we got this. So this is the hair I will be using. This is the hair I will be using.
It's open enough just to see it all, but them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and I. It's you and I.
my beautiful people. So we are still in the nesting period, and today I'm getting a pedicure, guys. It's been almost 2 months. I've not been able to scrub my heels whenever I take my shower because this is in the way. Yeah, so today I'm having a pedicure, and hopefully I'll put the baby bassinet together today, hopefully, because I'm off. Next week is my last week at work because I'm off, so I want to do that and get that out of the way. So hopefully I'll do that tonight, and I will record that as well. But now I am at the nail shop, and it's hot, guys. This is baby here. It is hot. So that is the nail shop that I'll be going to. So mainly what they do is when you get in the shop, you write your name. So when it's your turn, they will call you to have a seat. So I wrote my name, and they give me a list of the services they provide and the prices, and I chose the one that I wanted. But the lady advised that since I was pregnant, she cannot do anything vigorous on my legs, so she did like something soft, though it wasn't to my expectation. But I understand because I was pregnant, she did not want to do too much. And yeah, I felt then maybe I shouldn't have even gone there because literally, guys, it was still almost the same when I go home. Like the next day, my heels were still the same, but all the same, it was a little, relaxing, and it was fun. It was fun, my first time doing pedicure. I do it all by like, I hardly go to the nail shop to do anything. Not my fingernails, nothing. Yeah, but I just wanted to have a treat, and get ready for baby, at least look, all good and, refreshing, all that. But it did not really hurt to do that. And yeah, it wasn't bad. So this is the final look, and I am done and going home.
If I won't put them back, no matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and I.
Putting this baby bassinet together was no joke, guys. I have done this before, but I totally forgot everything. I was just looking through the manual back and forth, but I finally got it. Hooray! And I had to just keep it in the basement until baby comes. Sorry, because if I take it upstairs, by the time I realize, it will be a storage for the girls. Yeah, they will put all the toys, all their shoes and everything in there. Yep. All right, guys, so this is almost the finished product. So this is how it will look when I am done. Okay, this has to go somewhere, but I cannot figure that out, and I have to put this one, it will have to hang, something like this. Yeah, I'll try and put like a complete picture of it somewhere so you can see how it will look when I am finally done with it. But my phone is running out, and yeah, this is it. I finally put something together. So this is how it's gonna look. Lord, I am so tired. Yeah, so I'm gonna stop here, get something to eat, and I'll continue later.
One eternity later.
So I finally figured this out. The two, these things goes under this, so you can take it off the main bassinet and put it on the floor like that, and you're okay. Yeah, so that is how it's supposed to be, and you can put it back in the bassinet like that. Yeah, so this one goes here. You can put some lotion, sanitizer or anything in here, some diaper in here. Yeah, so that is that baby bassinet. It's fully done. This is the changing part. Yeah, so we are done with this one. Yeah, guys, I forgot to mention this. So this also comes with it, and this is the part that you can attach to the rocking bassinet or whatever to play music. So I have to put a battery in and set it up. So cute. I think this is the light, and these are the sounds buttons. Yeah, so while the baby lay down, it will be playing music. That's cute. And I like the fact that it can easily come off, so you can easily, you know, take it out. Yeah, that's cute. Yeah, so at the moment I'm just gonna leave this in the basement till baby comes home. Else the girls are gonna play with it. They're gonna step in it, jump in it. They have started doing that to his crib, so I think that is enough. So this will just go to the living room. So whenever we are in the living room, you know, he'll be there with us. So that is it.